how to create flashcards in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, we're diving into how you can create your very own flashcards using Notion. So let's get started and get your first flashcard deck up and running. First, open your browser and head over to notion.so. If you're not already logged in, click the login button. For the fastest route, just hit continue with Google and select the account you want to use. Make sure it's the one where you want your flashcards stored. Once you're in, you'll land on your main Notion dashboard where all your pages and workspaces live. Now, either open an existing page where you want to add your flashcards or click new page to start fresh, especially if you're setting this up for a new subject or topic. Now it's time to build the flashcard system. On your new page, type /board and choose the board view option. This is perfect for flashcards because it lets you organize cards visually like a real deck laid out in front of you. Once your board view appears, click on any of the cards to start editing. This is where you'll input your flashcard info. To turn each card into a useful flashcard, click Add a Property. You'll want at least 2 text properties, one for the question and one for the answer. You can also add more properties for things like examples, categories, or notes, whatever helps you study best. To add a property, just give it a name and choose the type. Text is perfect for most flashcards. Once your properties are set up, start filling in your content. You can add as many cards as you like and even group them into different columns or categories if you want to study by chapter, topic, or difficulty level. And that's it. You've now created a dynamic, customizable flashcard system in Notion. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.